What's up, folks? Mike McGrath here. Not sure if you can see me. I'm actually not the important part. So, we've had a lot of questions, curious about what our process is. You see us going live a lot about our cabinet doors and mycabinetpainters.com, so I thought I'd show you what we have going here. We have two sets of things in the shop. We have this set of doors. Take this off. We have this set of doors here for a job in Lake George, and there is actually going to be 6 of these are going to be the island color. And then we have some pieces of furniture we're doing for somebody very special. We have some vanity doors for my master bathroom. So I'm just going to kind of show you our process and what happens when the doors come in here on the rack, what it looks like. We do not use HVLP. HVLP was what was used, and is still used. We use it in certain occasions. Let me get this set up. So HVLP is a different system. We use an airless system, which is this. It's the same thing we use on exteriors, the same thing we use. The advantage, what the technology has done in the last few years is these tips have gotten really good about atomizing, so we can lay down these lacquers. So what you're going to see me do, I'm going to start on the backs of these, and I'm going to lay down our first coat here. It's called the box coat. So we go one direction, we turn it and go the other direction. And then you're going to see me do something, and I'll explain it. We have a super strong fan here, so I'm not going to wear my respirator for the first couple so I can explain what we're doing. So the first step is this. We use a rag with denatured alcohol and water. This is our tack rag or tack cloth. And these have been sanded again, as you can see, and also vacuumed. But this gets any last bit of dust off, and you can see it evaporates really fast. That's the first step. And then we spray the edges. The edges really get 4 coats. The edges, as you can imagine, get handled a lot more. So a lot of people are going to say, well, wow, that's pretty easy. Anybody can do that. Yeah, this is really, spray is for show. The real work, so we go this way. The real work is in prepping these doors, cleaning them, sanding them. And then I take what's known as a mill gauge, and I test how thick I am. So I'm at 6 mils, which is a little heavy. Every product has a certain mill range. We shoot for around 4 to 5 per coat, and then this goes to the rack to dry. This will be dry in 20 minutes. I could actually sand this product in 20 minutes. That's the advantage of the lacquers. They dry super hard and fast. Edges. We overlap 50%. I can actually turn my truck around a little bit. Look how beautiful that is. Now, airless uses a little more product. But we use these really small 1/8 inch hoses, so it doesn't take a lot to fill the hose, because a lot of the waste in the past has been there. So we figure the speed of production and the ability to train our guys, everybody now in our crew has learned to spray doors, where with the older systems, it's so much training, it slows us down. There's so many things to consider with different products, whereas the airless, they're used to using that machine. Yes, there are some idiosyncrasies between the different products, but they're excited to learn it, so it's really exciting to see the guys learn. As you can see here, this is 30 years of spraying. carpal tunnel, have to get that taken care of. So I need my crew to learn how to spray so I don't have to do this anymore. This is the one thing I still love about painting is I love to spray. I just love seeing the product lay down. I love the finish. But again, this is really the quote-unquote easy part. The difference between finishers, I would say one is product, two is really in the prep work they put in, as a lot of our clients will attest to. 80% of a refinish job in the kitchen is prep. It's protecting everything, it's cleaning everything, it's sanding everything, and going in between each step is wiping everything down and keeping that finish, the final finish. That's why it's so smooth. You have to have dust extraction, you have to have all these different things. So just thought I'd give you a sneak peek into what we do. I gotta get back to work. Have an awesome weekend. See you guys.